Phambilini nonyaka usihlalo webhodi labaqondisi benkampani iDenel watshela ePhalamende ukuthi le nkampani ayisenamali. Lokhu kwenzeka emva kokuba le nkampani isilahlekelwe imali ebalula cishe kumabhiliyoni amahlanu amarandi kule minyaka emine edlule. Izinyana zithi abasebenzi sebekhahlameze kakhulu ngenxa yokungaholi kusukela ngonyaka odlule.
Some divisions are able to generate some kind of an income and they can pay, maybe they'll pay a half payment or a 25% payment, but in other divisions they haven't been able to pay at all. And the situation has obviously affected workers in really the most horrible way. Our members have lost homes, they've lost cars, they've lost assets. They're struggling to keep their children in school, and just the emotional and mental pressure has unfortunately caused some workers to end their lives.
It's a dire situation and people are losing. At the end of the day, it's employees that are paying for the effect that we are now suffering because of things like state capture and bad management over a long period of time.
Inumza seyinikele enkantolo yomthethosisekelo ifuna ingenelele kule ngwadla ebhekene neDenel kanye nezinye izinkampani zikahulumeni ezishobishini kwezezimali. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC, eGoli.